Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best sweet potatoes is probably one of the most versatile and delicious vegetables out there, but with so many options, how do you choose the perfect ones? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of sweet potatoes, exploring everything from different varieties and their unique flavors to the best ways to cook them, ensuring you get the most out of every bite. Number 5. Wellness Chicken and Sweet Potato Wet Dog Food. This wet dog food is packed with real protein and vegetables. It provides a complete and balanced meal, ensuring your dog gets all the nutrients they need to thrive. The recipe features real chicken and sweet potato. The pâté texture is smooth, offering an irresistible taste that your dog will surely love. This food is packed with vitamins and minerals. It supports your dog's immune health and contains omega fatty acids for a healthy skin and coat. It contains only premium, all-natural ingredients. There are no poultry byproducts, wheat gluten, corn, soy, artificial colors, or preservatives. Each recipe is prepared in a state-of-the-art facility. The ingredients are globally sourced, wholesome, non-GMO, and chosen for their nutritional benefits. What we like. This wet dog food offers complete and balanced nutrition with real chicken and sweet potato. It's packed with vitamins and minerals to support your dog's immune health and contains omega fatty acids for a healthy skin and coat. If you are looking for a healthy and delicious meal that supports your dog's overall well-being, you should consider this. What people say. The sweet potato adds a perfect touch of sweetness. It's packed with high-quality ingredients that help me stay strong and active, and I've noticed that I feel extra energized and ready to play after each meal. It's real chicken and sweet potatoes. A lot of other good for her stuff. Number 4. Nutro Natural Choice Beef Recipe Wet Dog Food. This delicious wet dog food features real beef as the primary ingredient. It provides a savory and satisfying meal for your dog, ensuring they get the high-quality protein they need. This recipe is carefully formulated without any grains. It's designed to be gentle on your dog's digestive system, making it a great choice for sensitive pups. The recipe is made with natural ingredients, plus essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. It provides a balanced diet to support your dog's overall health and well-being. This product is proudly crafted in USA facilities, using the finest ingredients sourced from around the world. You can trust the quality and safety of every can. It's made without chicken byproduct meal, corn, wheat, or soy, although trace amounts may be present due to potential cross-contact during manufacturing. This ensures a wholesome and delicious meal for your dog. What we like. This wet dog food features real beef as the primary ingredient and is formulated without grains. Crafted in USA facilities with quality ingredients, it provides a premium option for your dog. If you are looking for a grain-free option with a focus on quality ingredients, this is a great choice. What people say. She's done very well on the Nutro. I find it to have the best ingredient quality. He loves the taste of his food and finishes it all. I find him to have healthy stools, a beautiful coat, bright eyes, alert and energetics. The pull-off top is very handy. Number 3. Fusion Select Sweet Potato Glass Noodles 2-pack. Looking for a guilt-free meal? These noodles are your answer. They are zero fat, low calorie, and contain no sodium, perfect for a healthy diet. Whether you're vegan or gluten-free, this product fits your lifestyle. It's a versatile ingredient that everyone can enjoy. From stir-fries to dumplings and hot pots, it elevates any dish. This product is perfect for both Chinese and Korean recipes. Preparing a delicious meal has never been easier. This product is ready to cook and can be added to your favorite recipes in minutes. Experience the unique texture and flavor. This product will transform your meals into something special. What we like. These sweet potato glass noodles are zero fat, low calorie, and gluten-free, making them a diet-friendly option. Perfect for Chinese and Korean recipes, they offer versatility in the kitchen. If you are looking for a healthy and versatile noodle option for your favorite Asian dishes, you should definitely try these. What people say. I love the convenience of having these canned sweet potatoes on hand. They are a great addition to any meal. The sweet potatoes are already cooked, so they are easy to use. Number 2. DAVIE'S Sweet Potato Dog Treats, Healthy Chews. These low-fat dog treats are made with all-natural sweet potato. You won't feel guilty giving your dog a wholesome treat that they will love. Every sweet potato in these dehydrated dog treats is grown on a family farm in North Carolina. This ensures the quality and freshness of every treat. These treats are a safe and healthy alternative to rawhide. They will satisfy your dog's craving for chewing, without the potential safety hazards. These treats are rich in iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, and B vitamins. You can feel good about giving them to your dog for a healthy diet. DAVIE'S treats are grain-free and contain no preservatives or additives. This gives you peace of mind knowing you're providing a high-quality snack, especially for dogs with allergies. What we like. These dog treats are made with a single ingredient, 100% all-natural sweet potato chews. Proudly made in the USA, they offer a safe and healthy vegetarian alternative to rawhide. If you like to provide your dog with a healthy, single-ingredient treat, this is a perfect choice. What people say. I love the convenience of having these canned sweet potatoes on hand. They are a great addition to any meal. The sweet potatoes are already cooked, so they are easy to use. Number 1. Farmers Market Organic Sweet Potato Puree 15 ounces. This puree is certified organic, ensuring the highest quality. It's made with sweet potatoes grown in the USA, perfect for your recipes. This is a delicious and versatile sweet potato puree. It's ready to use and packed with flavor, making it a great addition to your meals. The sweet potatoes are grown right here in the USA. You can trust the quality and freshness of this product. Use it in your favorite pies, baked goods, or soups. It will add a touch of sweetness and a creamy texture to your dishes. This puree is perfect for creating delicious and healthy meals. Try it today and taste the difference. What we like. This sweet potato puree is certified organic and grown in the USA. It's perfect for pies, baking, and soups, offering a versatile ingredient for your culinary creations. If you are looking for a high-quality, organic sweet potato puree for your baking needs, you should consider this. What people say. Really good taste sweet potatoes organic too. Makes an incredible, delicious, pie. Far above other store brands, tastes as close to fresh as you could want. This is wonderful sweet potato and mixes well with other foods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.